children, very good morning to you. Yes, welcome back to our online classes. Yes, here we are discussing the lesson comparing quantities. Yes, in our previous class, what we have seen in this comparing quantities, how to find the percentages to how many things are there actually exactly. Yes, so we have solved so many problems based on that. Now, and also what we have discussed, how to convert the given fraction to percentage as well as the given decimal number to percentage, and vice versa, means percentages to fraction as well as decimal we know how to convert it. And also if you know the total quantity and the percentage of something in that total, then how to find the exactly how much it is. Yes, means we know how to convert the given percentages to how many things are there exactly. Yes, so based on that, just we have to take one more example here. One out of 60 students in class 7, 75% or 80% of girl students are there. Then find the number of boys students. Then find the number of boys students. Yes, how to do this one? Yes, see here. Out of 60 students means totally how many children are there in a class 7? 60. In that 80% of them they are girls. 80% of them they are girls. Then we have to find the strength of boys, means number of boys in that class. How? Miss ಇಲ್ಲಿ boys percentage ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, how we have to find? Yes, it's a good question. Total thing we will equalize to what? 100%. Yes or no? Out of 100%, 80% of girls. Then remaining what percent of boys? 20% of them are boys here. Yes. Girls. How many percent? 80% of girls. Then boys. How many percent? And out of total, if you remove total percent, if you remove 80%, you will get 20% of the boys. Boys ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 20% ಅದರ ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ out of 100 how many boys? Out of 100 how many boys? 20% of the boys. ಅಂದ್ರೆ each 100 ಗೆ 20 boys ಅದರ. It means totally out of 60 students how many boys are there? Yes or no? Out of 100, 20. Out of 60, how many? Yes, 25 it is, because girls percent how much? 80%. Then boys, how many percent of boys are there here? 20% of boys are there. Means out of 100, 20 boys are there. Then out of 60, how many boys are there? We need to find here. So you know, in a proportion, the product of extreme term is equal to the product of middle term. So just to find it, 100 into x is equal to 20 into 60. If 100 comes this side, it divides. So 20 into 60 divided by 100, 0 get cancelled, then 0 get cancelled. 2 6 are how much? 12. So how many boys are there here? There are 12 boys. Means what is the boys number? Boys number how many? 12. Yes, there are 12 boys in that class 7. Okay, just pause this and take the answer. Like this, if he has given the percentage, we need to find the exact number of the things. Yes, I hope you written. Just take one more question here. It's a very interesting question. Now we will take. Yes, take here. 30% of the population of city are women and 45% are men. If the total population of the city is 42,500, then find the number of children in that city. Take here the question. 30% of population of a city are women. How many women? 30% of them are women. 45% are men. If the total population of the city is how much? Total population of the city is how much? 42,500. Find the number of children in the city. Yes. In that population, 30% women, 45% men. Then what percent of children are there? We don't know. Just find here. Yes, in a population, in total population, what is the things? Women plus men plus children. Okay. Total population is, if you take it as 100%, then women how much? 30%, men 45, then children we don't know, just keep as it is. Okay, 30 plus 45, 75. If 75 comes this side, minus 75% is children. It is nothing but children. How many percent of children are there here? 25% of children in that city. But we need the number of children, not the percentage of children, number of the children. Means out of 100, how many children are there? How many children are there here? 25. Then out of total population 42,500, how many children are there here? We need to find. 100 go 25 members adari, means 42,500 ka ಎಷ್ಟು members children adara? We need to find. So exterior and middle terms, their product is equal here. 100 into number of children equal to 25 into 42,500. If 100 comes this side, divides C equal to 25 into 42,500 divided by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. Now 25 into 425 if you do, you will get the number of children in that city. Okay, 25 5s are 125, 12 10, 25 2s are 50, 50 plus 12, how much? 60, 2, 6 carry. 25 4s are 100, 100 plus 6, 106. How many members of children are there here? 10,625 children are there in that city. Yes, like this. If he has given the percentage, we can find the exact number of the things or members. Yes. Okay, just watch this video and take this question. Yes. I hope you have written. Next, we will take the problems based on the conversion of fraction to percentage, decimal to percentage, and percentage to decimal as well as fraction, and also the percentages to how many. Based on this one, you have one of the exercise that is 8.2. So we will see that exercise 8.2 problems now. Yes. Let's take here first one, 8.2. What is the question? First question, convert the given fractional numbers to percents. Okay, what is the first fraction? 1 by 8. Second one, 5 by 4. Third one, what? 3 by 40. Fourth one, 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Yes, in this there are 4 fractions. We have to convert these fractions to percentage. So convert these fractions to percentage means we are finding out of 100, means multiply and divide by 100. Yes. So is it cancels? 2 4s are 2 50s are, again 2 2s are 2 25s are, which is equal to Yes, what? 25 by 2 into 100. Out of 100 we are finding it. Keep this 100 as it is. Then cancel it. 12.5 means 12.5 it is out of 100. It is nothing but we can keep it a per 100 means 12.5. Per 100 12.5 it is nothing but what is that percentage? 12.5 percentage. Same way multiply and divided by 100. Now is it cancels? Yes, 4 1s are 4 2s are 4 5s are 20. It becomes 5 into 25 by 100. Yes, 5 5s are 25 5s are how much? 125. It is out of 100. 125 out of 100. It is nothing but what? 125 per 100. Percentage means per 100. So 125 per 100 it is nothing but 125%. Next, 3 by 40. Yes, same way 3 by 40 also multiply and divided by what? Multiply and divided by 100. Yes, 100 divided by 100. Cancel, cancel. Next, 4 1s are 4 2.5. Now, 3 into 2.5 divided by 100. Yes. Now, 3 into 2.5 is how much? 25 3s are 75. It becomes a 7.5 per 100. 7.5 every 100 means you can keep this one as 7.5 percentage. 7.5%. Okay. And same way 2 by 7. Here also multiply and divided by what? 100. Multiply and divided by what? 100. Yes. Is there anything here cancelling? No. So it is 7 1s are 7 1s are remaining 3. It becomes a 30. Then 7 4s are 28. Again 2 remains. If you give the decimal point, it becomes a 20. Then 7 2s are 40. Yes, enough. 2 into 40.2 divided by 100. If you are not understanding, you can take this calculation here. What? 100 divided by 7. 7 1s are 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. It becomes 30. 7 4s are 28. Then 2 is remaining. If you give the decimal point, we will take here one of the 0. Then it becomes a 20. 7 2s are 14. Remaining, you can keep as it is 14.2. Yes, now 14.2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2 divided by 100. It is nothing but what? Per 100, 28.4 is nothing but 28.4%. Yes. Like this, you have to convert the given fractional numbers to what? Given fractional numbers to what? Percentage. Yes? Okay. I hope you have written. Yes, pause it and take these answers. Next question. Convert the given decimal fractions to percent. Decimal fractions to percent means decimal numbers to percent. So let us read. Yes, what is the second question? Convert the given decimal numbers to percent. What is that first number? Yes, 0.65 in a regular class. I hope you have solved. 65. Then second one, 2.1. Third one, 0.02. D 12 point. How much? 3 5. Yes. Per 100 we need here. Yes. Okay. Now this 0.65 you multiply and divided by 100. 100 into 0.65, it becomes a 65 by 100. 65 out of 100 means it becomes a 65%. Yes or no? Same like this we have done. Same here also. Multiply and divided by 100. Now it becomes 2.1 into 100. 210 by 100. 210 for each 100 it is nothing but 210%. Yes, same 0.02 multiply and divided by 100. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಬರೀ 100 ತಗೊಳ್ಳತ್ತೀರಿ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಈಚ್ 100 per 100. So for that purpose I am taking here multiply and divided by 100 only. 0.02 into 100, it becomes a 2 divided by 100. 2 for each 100 means it becomes 2%. Same way 12.35 multiply and divided by 100. 12.35 multiply by 100, it becomes 1235 divided by 100. 1235 it is for every 100 means 1235%. Yes, like this we have to convert the given decimal fractional numbers to what? Percentage. Yes, just pause this video and take it. Okay. Next question, the third question. He has given the pictures. For these pictures we have to write the fraction and percentage. Yes, we will take that now. Yes, okay. That second question over. Now let's take a third question here. What is that third question? Yes, take here. Estimate what percent of the figure is colored and hence find the percentage to that colored picture. Yes, इलों picture ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅದರ picture ಗ ನಾವು fraction ಬರ್ದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ percentage ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay, first picture, in a circle there are yes, 1/4 of this part is colored. 1/4 means out of 4 part 1 part is colored. Yes, can I express this one in a percentage? How? Multiply and divided by 100 you will do, then you will get its percentage. Yes, now 4 1s are 4, 25s are, it is nothing but 25 by 100. 25 out of 100 you can express it as in terms of percentage, means it becomes a 25%. Yes, 25% of this figure is colored here. Yes, okay. Second one, out of 5 equal parts 3 parts are colored. Out of 5 equal parts, yes, out of 5 equal parts just these 3 parts are colored. Okay, how will we express this one? Out of 5 3 parts are colored, then you can express it in a percentage. You have to represent this one in a percentage, means multiply and divided by 100. Now 5 1s are 5, 20s are 100. Yes or no? 5 2s are 10, 0 as it is, 5 20s are. Now 20 into 3 is how much? 60. 23s are 60. 60 out of 100 means it is a 60%. 60 out of 100 it is nothing but 60%. Okay. The next one, out of 8 equal parts 3 parts are colored. Yes, out of 8 equal parts, how many parts are colored here? Only 3 parts are colored. Yes, can you write it? Its fraction. How? Out of 8 3 are colored, then out of 100 how much are colored? Yes or no? Which percentage we are finding? Now 2 4s are 2 50s are, again 2 2s are 2 25s are, 25 3s are how much? 75 divided by 2 into 100. Okay, now 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 1 remaining, it becomes a 15. 2 7s are 40, again 1 remaining, if you give the decimal point it becomes a 10. Next 2 5s are 10. Now it becomes 37.5 out of 100. It is nothing but what? 37.5%. Guess what its value? 37.5%. Like this we have to write the fraction for the colored part, then we have to find its percentage. Yes, pause this video and take it. Next. Yes, I written. Okay. What's our next question? The next question is find. He has given the percentage. Then what percent of the total he has given and percentage he has given. what is the value of that person? Yes, we have to find. Next, find 15% of what? Let's see here. 15% of 250 is how much? First one, 15% of 250 is how much? We have to find. Yes, 15% means what here? Percent means what? It is out of 100. This one, shall we represent like this? 15 out of 100. 15 out of 100. Of means what here? Of is nothing but here multiplication. Yes, sir. For 100 it is a 15. Then for 250 how much? We are finding. Yes, 250 how much? Yes, otherwise you can take this one in one more way. For 100, 15% means for 100 how much? 15. Then totally for 250 how much? 250 how much? Extreme middle product. Yes, it becomes same like this. 15 into 250 divided by 100 only equal to that value we need to find. Okay, now 0 0 get cancelled. It is a 10, it is a 25, it is a 15. Okay. 5 2s are 5 3s are. Yes. Now 3 into 25 is how much? 3 into 25, 75 divided by 2. Yes. 2 1s are 237.5s are. So 15% of 250 is how much? 37.5. 15% of 250 is how much? 37.5. Yes. So take here of is nothing but what? Multiplication, and he has given the total quantity. Then we have to find the 250 ಗೆ 100 का 15 after 250 ಗೆ yes, so how much? 37.5. Next one, 1% of 1 hour. Very interesting question. 1% of 1 hour. Yes, take here 1% of 1 hour. 1% means 1 for each 100. Then what for each hour? What for each hour? Hour means how many minutes in that? How many minutes in that? Yes, 60 minutes. Yes. 100 is the 1 hour. 60 ke yes. So you can take it is like first 1% 1 by 100 of 1 hour. 1 hour means it is equal to 60 minutes. So I will take in terms of minute here. How much it is? Okay. 0 0 get cancelled. 2 5s are 2. 3s are 3 1s are 3. 3 by 5 it is equal to, it is not divisible, 0. Yes. Then 30 5 6 are 30 mean how much it is? 0.6 minute. 0.6 minute. Yes. 1% of 1 hour is how much? 0.6 minute. Okay, just pause this video and take it. Yes, take here the next question. Yes, third one. What is that third one? See, 20% of 2500. Out of 100, how much it is? 20. And out of 2500, how much you have to see? Yes, 20% of 2500. 20% of 2500 is how much you have to find. Okay, 20 as it is. Percent means divided by 100 of multiplication 2500. Yes, no, 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. Next, 25 into 0 0. 25 2s are 50. Yes, 20% of 2500 is how much? 500. 20% of 2500 is how much here? 500. Okay. Next one. Okay. The next one, deep one. What is the deep question here? Yes. Deep one. 75% of 1 kg. Yes, tell me. 75% of 1 kg is how much? Yes, see here. 75% of 1 kg, like 25% of 1 hour is how much you have to find. Same way, 75% of 1 kg of 1 kg. Yes, in 1 kg how many grams are there? 1000. Okay, 75% of 1 kg 1000 gram. If you take, cancel 10 750 gram. Yes or no? How much? 750 gram. Next, over. Okay, next question. Fifth question we will see now. I hope you have written. Fifth one. Find the whole quantity for the given percentage. Here he has given the percentage as well as whole. Then you find the how much that percentage value. Now he has given the whole percentage as well as its value. Then we need to find here the whole quantity. Yes. Okay, fifth main. What is the first one? If 5% of that whole quantity is how much? 600. 5% of it is means what here? Whole quantity. Let here we have to take x is whole quantity. For all the questions here, for all the numbers you can take x is a whole quantity. Okay. So for whole quantity x means 5% of that whole quantity of whole quantity is equal to how much? 600. Here is given. 5% of it is nothing but here what? Whole quantity equal to how much? 600. Got it clear? Okay. So 5%, 5 by 100 of multiplication into x as it is then 600. Yes. Now we are finding the x value. Here use the simple equation lesson. Yes, how to find the x value. If 100 comes this side, multiplication 5 into x equal to 600 into 100. Then if 5 comes this side, divides. So 600 into 100 divided by 5 is how much? 5 1 ja, 5 20 ja, 26 ja. Means 2 6 are 12, remaining 30 as it is. How much it is? 5% of it is 600 means 5% of 12,000 is 600. Yes, 5% of this 12,000 is 600. You can verify. Check it. Your answer whether it is correct or not. Yes. Out of 100 how much it is? 5. Out of 12,000 how much it is? Yes, tell me 600. Yes, given. If these two things are equal, then our answer is correct. Okay. Now 5 into 12,000 equal to 100 into 600. Okay. 12 5s are 60. How much 0? 30, 60,000. Here 100 into 600, 60,000. Are these two equal? These two are equal means our answer 12,000 is a whole quantity. It is a correct here. Okay. Yes, take it. So before question, he has given whole quantity and percentage. We find the what? We find the percentage value. But here he has given the percentage as well as its value. We need to find the whole quantity. Yes, shall we take next one? Yes, what is the next number here? Another next one. 12% of it is how one. 12% of it is 1080. Yes, 12% means what here? 12 by 100. Of means multiplication. It is means whole quantity. What is the whole quantity here? X is equal to how much? 1080. Okay. Now same way we are finding the x here. If you 100 take this side, it is multiplication. 12 take this side, it is division. So shall I take at a time x equal to both these two? 100 becomes a multiplication and 12 becomes a divides. Yes, sir. So otherwise you can take, if you take this 12 by 100 to right side, it becomes a reciprocal, means numerator becomes a denominator, denominator becomes a numerator. Now cancel it. 12 1 ja, 12 9 ja, 108, 0 as it is. So x equal to 9 into 1, 9, 0 0 0 3 0. So 12% of 1000, 12% of 9000 is 1080. 12% of 9000 is how much here? 1080. Okay. Next one. 40% of it is 500 kilometer. 40% of it is 500 kilometer, means totally how much kilometer it is there. Yes. Okay. 40% means 40 by 100 into of means into of what? Whole quantity. Whole quantity means what here? X is equal to how much? 500 kilometer. Okay. You need a x value. If you take 40 by 100 to right side, what it becomes? Reciprocal. So 100 by 40, cancel, cancel, 4 1 ja, 4 25 ja. Now x equal to 5 into 25, 125, this 0 as it is, 1250 kilometer. Total quantity how much? 1250 kilometer. Yes, 1250, 40% of 1250 kilometer is how much? 500 kilometer. Yes, pause this video and take this to. Yes, is it over? To take your next is C1. What is the C1 here? C1 over D1. 70% of it is 14 minutes. 70% of it is 14 minutes. Of it is 40 minutes. It is how much? 40 minutes. 70%. 70 by 100. Half means multiplication. It is nothing but whole quantity equal to how much? 40 minutes. If x keep here, then 70 by 100 comes to right side. It becomes a reciprocal. So x equal to 40 into 100 by 70. 0, 0 get cancelled. Next, x equal to 7 1 ja, 7 1 ja, it becomes a 30, 7 4 ja, 28. Remaining 2, it becomes a 20, 7 2 ja, 15. So your answer is 14.2 into 4. 4 2 ja, 8, 4 4 ja, 16, 4 1 ja, 4 plus 1, 5. Yes. 70% of 56.8 minutes is how much? 40 minutes. Yes. 70% of total time is how much here? 56.8 minutes is equal to how much? 40 minutes. Let's that we have to find. Yes. Have written. Next one. Take your E1. E1 not there. Yes, it is 88% of it is 40 liters. Yes, 8% of it is equal to 40 liter. Okay. 8% means 8 by 100 of it means x equal to how much? 40 liter. We are keeping the x here, then 8 by 100 if it comes to right side, it becomes reciprocal. Okay. 4 tens are 4 twos are 2 ones are 2 fives are yes. X is how much? 500 liter. Yes. 8% of 500 liter is how much? 40 liter. 8% of 500 liter is how much? 40 liter. Yes. Pause this video and take it. Next, we will go to the sixth question. What is there in the sixth question? Convert the given fractions to what? Given percentages to decimal fractions and also the fractional numbers. And its simplest form. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಅದು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್. Yes, take here. Which question? Sixth question. First one, what he has given? 25%. First 25% keep in a fraction. Fraction nothing but 25% is nothing but 25 out of 100. Yes, 25 by 100. Yes. This one you have to keep in a decimal form. Decimal form 0.25. The simplest form I will write here. 25 ones are 25. Its simplest form is how much? 1 divided by 4. Like that we told. Write a fraction. It's a decimal number form. Then fraction standard form we have to write here. Okay, next one. 150%. Second one. 150%. 150% is nothing but what? Out of 100, 150. Okay. Now, write it in a decimal form. Means 1.50. Write its simplest form. Yes, 53s are 50, 2s are what is its simplest form? 3 divided by 2 is its simplest form. Okay. Next one. Third one what? Yes, third number is 20%. Next one 5%. 20% and fourth one 5%. Okay. Yes, 20% is nothing but what? 20 divided by 100. Keep in its decimal form 0.20. How much? 0.20. So keep its standard form. 21 ja, 25 ja. Standard form is what? 1 divided by 5. Next 5% is nothing but what? 5 by 100. 5 by 100 keep in a decimal form. After 2 digits from right to left, you have to shift your decimal point. Yes, 0.05. It's a simplest form. 5 ones are 5 20s are, so 1 by 20 is its simplest form. Okay, just pause it and take this question. Yes, I hope you have written. Next, 7th question. In a city, 30% are females, 40% are males, and remaining are children. What percent are children? It is too interesting as well as easy, and also in a regular class means while solving the work problems, classwork problems, except this exercise, I solved one of the question regarding this one. Yes, in a city, total population is equal to what? Total population is equal to what? Women plus man plus children. Okay. How many percent of children are there? Don't know. How many percent of men are there here? 30% female and 40% male. Yes. 30% female, 40% male. For children, we don't know. Keep as it is. See, total population means we will consider it as 100%. What is your question? what percent of children are there here? Yes, if we keep this one here only, 40 plus 30, 70. In 100, if you remove the 70%, how much it remained? Children percent. How much? 30% of children are there in that city. How many? 30% of children are there in that city. Okay. Just pause this video and take it. Yes, written. Next question. 8th one. This is 7th question over. What is the 8th question here? Out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. Yes. Total population is how much? Total voters, how many members? 15,000 voters. Total voters, how many? Yes, 15,000 voters are there in that. How many are voted? 60% of them are voted. Yes. Voted people, how many are there? 60%. 60% is nothing but 60 out of 60% out of this total means 60% out of total means 60 by 100 into 15,000. So remaining 5, 15, 6 are 90, 1, 2 zeros. So 9,000 members are voted. Then next one is your question. Find percentage of voters who did not vote. Can you now find how many actually did not vote? So, what's your question? Percentage of voters who did not vote. Percentage of voters who did not vote. We have to find. Yes, out of 100%, how many are voted here? 60% are voted. The remaining, how many percent are did not vote? Yes, 40% of them are did not vote. Then actually how many members did not vote? He asked. Yes, number of voters who did not vote. We have to find. Who did not vote? We have to find. Yes, 40% out of 15,000 they did not vote. So find that 100 cancel. 15 4s are 60, 1, 2, 0. 6,000 members they did not vote and 9,000 members they have voted. Yes, clear? Okay, like this we have to find the things which are given in terms of percentage. Exactly we will get in terms of actual values. Yes, we will get in terms of actual values. Okay? Yes. Shall we take next question? Yes, what is the next question here? I hope it is a 9th question. Meeta saves 4,000 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, what is her total salary? Yes. So we are finding her total salary. Meeta saves how many rupees? 4,000. 4,000 rupees. Yes, it is equal to what percentage? This is equal to what percentage? 4%. 10% of her salary. It is equal to how much? 10% of her salary. 10% of her salary. Okay. Then find what is her total salary. In a regular class, I have solved like this one of the question. Yes. Out of 100, how much she saves? 10. Then out of total from her salary, how much she saves? 4,000. It is nothing but we have to find the total quantity. Yes, whole quantity. 10% of that whole quantity is how much? 4,000. Then we have to find the x value. You can take in this way or this way. Both you can take here. Yes, here product of extreme middle. Then I will solve here. 10 into x equal to 4,000 into 100. x is equal to 4000 into 100 divided by 10. 1 ja 10 ja 4000 into 10 40,000. Then here also you can do x keep here only. Then 10 by 100 comes to right side. 100 by 10. Yes, 100 by 10. 1 ja 10 10 ja 4000 into 10 40,000. What's the salary? 40,000. You can give like this or like this. Both the ways are correct here. Yes. Pause this video and take it. Yes, the next question. What is the next question here? Last one. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. It won 25% of them. How many matches did they win? Yes. Out of all matches they won 25%. Then totally how many matches they won? We have to find. Yes, how many matches were there here? Local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. Total matches how many? Total matches how many? 20 matches. How much percent of matches they have won? Yes, 1% how much? 25%. Yes. Then exactly out of 125 25 matches they have won means out of 20 how many matches they have won? Yes, out of 125 they won. Then out of 20 how many matches they have won? Okay, we have to find. Extreme equal to middle. Yes, 100 into x is equal to 25 into 20. X is equal to 25 into 20 divided by 100. 1 ja 5 ja 5 1 ja 5 5 ja. It is nothing but 5 matches. 5 matches they won. Yes, in that cricket team they have won 5 matches out of 20. Yes, I hope all of you got it. Just pause this video and take the answer. Yes, dear children, with this, up to here we have discussed the one more comparing thing, that is the percentage and how to find the exacting of that percentage we have learned. In our next session, we will study about the ratios and percentages. If he has given in terms of ratio, then we can find the percentages and also profit percent as well as loss percent we need to find. What mean by profit? Yes, if your cost price is less than the selling price, you will get the loss. Cost ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮನ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾರಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Yes, if your cost price is less than the selling price, you will get that time profit. Then what percent of profit you got, what percent of loss you got, we have to see that in the next session. Up to that, take care, bye bye.